I'm glad to see you in another video. So today's video, I want to put the supplies that I bought the other day. I have a bunch of supplies everywhere. Look at these pom-poms. So we're going to put a bunch of these into our slimes. And I also have green glitter, gold glitter, black glitter, pink glitter, so we can make a bunch of these. And today I thought, I'm just gonna use or purple, or like a little bluish, greenish, blue, green, or red. So yeah, and also I have my water, and my glues have this one and this one. I have a bunch of glues. We never know if we want to do a bunch of slimes, so we can make those. Then we have the activators, have all these stuff. After, I'm going to show you all my supplies that I have right now. But if you didn't know, I did show you all my supplies in another video. But I'm going to show them anyway. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and stay tuned until the end of this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's go into this video. So right now, I'm going to show you all my supplies. I have these pom-poms that I thought were super duper cool. I'm going to use a bunch of those. So after I have these beads that I had in my house that I didn't bought yesterday. But they're really pretty. You have purple, pink, a darker pink. We have these charms that I don't know why I have them right here. Have some bells, some boxes, our lotion, some scents that I showed in the other video, some little cubes, these charm cubes, they're really cool. After I have these googly eyes that are really super cute. So we have these puzzles. But I thought they would be so cool, and they're 3D puzzles, and they're super cool. I just love them. I had pink, but I bought blue because I think it's better. So these are all the supplies that I got, and so I'm just going to put them back in here so we can start the video. Super happy because in this video, sorry, but I didn't have my spatula in the other ones. But in this video, I'm gonna be mixing with my spatula. Let's just start with clear. Okay, I'm gonna take the one that is already opened. Oh my god, they were so sticky. Okay. Like that, to be honest, make it a little bit jiggly, a little jiggle, you know, that cool jiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, pink glitter. That is a little bit, definitely. So I'm just gonna mix this up and put the pom-poms. Gonna pour in the pom-poms. I'm not gonna put everything because you're gonna see why. So, put in some pom-poms and a bunch. Because I don't really have glues. I'm wondering if this is gonna make slime. If it don't, I'm gonna be so mad about that. I think I got. There we go. My pom-pom slime, it's all done. Okay, I was not wondering that. So this is not already ready. So I just finished this slime, and I'm really glad I finished. So yeah, let's go to the next one.